For today's tutorial, let me teach you on how to convert an Excel file to a CSV file. To get started, first open the Excel file that you want to convert. To show you how it's done, we have here a sample Excel file. Next, go over to the top left part and click on the File tab. In here, click on the Export option. Then go over to the other file types where you can see the CSV or delimited option. Just click on it. Now click Save As and then find the folder where you want to save the file. That's basically it. A brief note for you, a CSV or comma-separated values file is a text file format that stores data in table-structured format. CSV files are commonly used for spreadsheets and are easy to edit and share. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.